was your day? Did they treat you right or the wrong way? I ask this question serious, not trying to play, cause I really wanna hear what you have to say. Man, I bet you tell Danny when she's calling you Shay, or Kenneth on the air when he's ballin' with Kay, or your sister every day. But daily I pray that maybe today will be the day that I may break through the shell of this jar of clay, releasing every drop of love that should be on display. Give you all that I'm worth, which no man can pay. Put your life first, such a precious thing. Yeah, your love is such a precious thing. Even the stars in the sky all agree the same. Yeah, it's such a precious thing. I thank God every day that you took my last name. Baby, don't you know that I thank God for you? Even though we fight, I still in love with you. Hey there, how do you do? I see the long face, yeah, I'm feeling it too. If I'm supposed to share in this life with you, then indulge me in thought for a minute or two. Cause it's been a long time since we talked for a few about us and the troubles that are starting to brew. But this life comes in cycles, ain't nothing new. Let me be that warm hug when you're feeling blue. Cause I don't want to lose you, and you feel the same too. So just take my hand and walk with me forever. I do. Don't worry about all the struggles and doubts, cause together we can do it. Let me prove it, baby. Don't you know that I thank God for you? Even though we fight, I'm still in love with you. Yo, I don't want to lose you, and you feel the same too. So just take my hand and walk with me forever. I do. Don't worry about all the struggles and doubts. Us together we can do it. Let me prove it. I will. Don't worry about all the struggles and doubts. Together we can do it. Let me show you just how. Cause I'll be around no matter how far we're down. Together we can do it. Let me prove it, baby. Don't you know that I thank God for you? Even though we fight, I'm still in love with you. Baby, don't you know that I thank God for you? Walking on this earth, flesh stays in felony space. Ready for grace, ready to face this life, hell any race. This bad taste won't see me waste time in petty debates. Though the Son of God lift me up, it's like I fell on my face. Refuse to sit back, complain and let my pity disgrace. Lacking record sales cause I won't spit it like Fitty your mace. Who keep it locked, the girls shocked cause they got plenty of bass. I'm Sivion, so bring it on cause I got plenty of grace. So you can find me iceberg because I chill and behave. Not one of these new ice nerds, I keep it real in these caves. Y'all paper sack on these tracks like it's your will to be slaves. That type of logic's nonsense like popping pills at these raves. Disassociate with Chave Christ, keeping me safe. This beat laid by Taro, but y'all I'm speaking with Dave. I keep the faith, y'all my ace, be this meekness he gave. In every case, take this grace till I'm leaving this place. Just how it's cool to be foul. You say you're mad, check this lesson, cause I'm schooling these cows. You cried wolf like a sheep, pulling wool and we found you're incomplete, not unique like Jesus ruling these crowns. That's cool, play the fool, then maybe you can beat this exit. Use your own tools, complete the task, and you can heed this lesson. Figure it all out, no need for God, so there's no need to bless it. Just grab your little bag of peace and get ready for the next hit. That's cool, play the fool, cause maybe you can change this game up. Still floss, but with a different way to throw your pinky rings up. You know you and me weren't all that different before we came up, but we both made a different choice when approached with this fame lust. Quenches your thirst, then there's no need to beg for water. Blinded by your own ignorance like some sheep led out to slaughter. If only the truth can set you free, why should I bother? Why should I bother? While you speak death on tracks, I gotta look out for my daughter. Little angel rap, special gift of God is what I call her. And my son, little one, I hope he grows up to be taller and turns away from this carnal urge to be a baller. I'll share these words because the seeds come from my father, concerned that the flames of this trap only will get hotter. I'll teach them faith to let go and cast their cares upon the altar and become strength in Christ just so that their faith will not falter.